actually that doesn't finish 11-2. That finishes the 11-2 general journal. Then we have to post it. Okay. So we have our accounts receivable ledger here, and we have our our general ledger here. I wish they would label these. I don't know why they don't. Okay, so now we can go through the posting. All right, just going from top to bottom. Remember, don't skip around, just start at the top, go all the way down. Sales, return, and allowance, we're going to have a debit for the 4th. And this is coming from General Journal, page 6. At $245 debit. Okay, debit balance, debit here. $2, $4, $8, $7, $6, $2, $7, $3, $2, $60. Okay, 4130 for my posting amount, or my posting reference. Sales tax payable with a debit on the 4th, General 6, 1470. Okay, again, normal balance for a payable is a credit, 648.1, but we're having a debit here, so we'll subtract 63340. Okay, 2120. Okay, and now our accounts receivable, and again, the two accounts, the controlling account plus the sub. So accounts receivable, $259.70. Okay, again, remember this was a return, and so it's going to decrease what our accounts receivable is as a whole. Okay, and then we'll take that number back. And for Keller Associates, for our individual ledgers, the 4th, G6 for $259.70. Again, it's a normal debit balance. Now we have a credit because they don't owe us as much. 1716.40 minus 259.70. 1456. 140 for my posting. Okay, Ashton and Lindsay for the 9th. This is the mistake that we were correcting. So Ashton, so these are just going to be our sub. We're not going to have to use anything in our controlling because these are fine. Okay, sales is fine, accounts receivable is fine because those are just totals. It's just the individuals here that we have to create or correct. Okay, so for the 9th, G6, a 623 debit. Okay, and see, that's why I keep looking at that one like I did it wrong. Oh no, that's right. It should be Ashton and Lindsay. That's adding. I don't know how bad I confused you guys on that one. Plus 623.60. Okay. So we're adding to Ashton, and we are decreasing with the credit to Abraham for 623. I did it right. I can't tell you if I said it right to you guys. Plus 623. 2,272.50. Okay. So they don't owe us as much because we shouldn't have put it in their account. We should have put it in Abraham. They owe, now we've got that corrected, so they do owe us that amount. So 120 for Ashton and 110 for Abraham. Got those posted. On the 12th, a sales return and allowance. Again, G6, 206 debit. Okay, keeping track of how much we're returning. $4130 for my post reference. And then we returned it to Lambert, or we're returning the credit to Lambert Schools, and we'll have to hit both the accounts receivable and the sub account for Lambert Schools. So accounts receivable on the 12th for G6 for 206. 8,928.05 minus, because it's a credit, 206 872205. Okay, 1130, and then we've got to hit Lambert Schools individually. So over here for the 12th, G6 206 credit. Again, they're not going to owe us as much because they returned it. 3490 minus 206 328400 150 is my other posting reference. And then another correction here for Keller Associates. Again, just not using any of the general accounts, just making the correction in our sub accounts. So Keller on the 26th, coming from General 6 for a 598 debit. Okay, so here's a debit, 56.7 plus 598, because they should have charged them and they didn't. Okay, 140. And Carson got charged, so we're going to reduce Carson's amount. So on the 26th, coming from General 6, the 598 credit. So now he doesn't owe us that. 647.6 minus 598. Okay. And 130. All right. Now that finishes 11-2. I just had forgotten the posting. There you go.